My name is Raja. I'm on the lead manufacturing scheme where I'm placed at the power systems factory where we produce engines. So I wanted to learn engineering, and JCB provided a great opportunity for me to learn the theory side, and also wanted to be hands-on. So this scheme really offered best of both worlds. So we were learning theory at the academy and applying that in the factory. Our main responsibility on this Tier 4 line in power systems is to dress engines. By dressing, I mean we put harnesses that connect components, various components together. It depends on, again, day to day where manning is required. So one day I might be working on piston subs, and the next day I might be building cylinder heads to go onto engines, and it really depends. We've got different responsibilities and roles around here, so there's a lot of variety in the factory. My learning provider is JCB Academy. They're very supportive, great staff there. So for example, the pneumatic system that we've learned at the academy, I can see that being applied in the factory where we use this system to push engines through on the line. There's various different theories that we've been taught at the academy, and it's great to see them actually in application here. So what makes me proud to work for JCB is the people. So we are treated with respect and dignity, and there are people from all different backgrounds and cultures or religions, and yeah, we're all treated the same and in a fair way. So that's I love that. Yeah. In the future, I would like to study more engineering and apply that in practical application. So I would like to go into the research and development department, and I think that's a great field to be in right now. JCB will absolutely give me the support for me to reach my full potential. Yeah.